It's gonna help me finish out my weekly goal. It's supposed to be my Monday goal, and it's now Sunday. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful Sunday. And Laird here is gonna pick some chickens to put in the tractor so he can finish it up. Sterling, oh, there's eggs on the ground in there. Want to get one more?
Super tiny!
This is how you move chickens. This is how you do it. You move the chicken. Na, 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 na. This is how you do it. Where's the third guy? This is how you do it. Na 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 na. Thank you, Mommy. Oh, push me through the door. Okay.
No radar.
It's his cluck box. It's his cluck box.
Is that what he called it?
No.
Oh.
This is how we do it. This is how we do it. It's like it was meant to be. It's finally the end of the project that was supposed to start.
Oh no!
On Monday. No, Juno. Oh. Maybe the story's not. It's not quite done yet. I just want to put chickens in the chicken tractor. Okay, now it's official. Oh, where'd Laird go? Okay, we got all 3 chickens, right?
Yeah.
And then we're gonna put them in the chicken tractor.
Oh,
Okay, hi. And then what? They make our garden. Yay! All right.
I think Wetbeard's in there.
Wetbeard.
Can you go get a scoop of food for them? And then we need to find a water.
So we got these 3, and we got Silver Moon and his ladies here. They're already doing a pretty good job getting it all pecked up. The perch needs to be placed. A little bit more work. Thank goodness. It's been a long week. Whew. Man, it's a beautiful day though.